Hello everyone. Welcome to Fantastic Learners.
A. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. B. B for banana. Banana. C. C for caterpillar. Caterpillar. D. D for duck. Duck. E. E for eggplant. Eggplant. F. F for fan. Fan. G. G for grapes. Grapes. H. H for helicopter. Helicopter. I. I for iguana. Iguana. J. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L for lotus. Lotus. M. M for mango. Mango. N. N for notebook. Notebook. O. O for ostrich. Ostrich. P. P for penguin. Penguin. Q. Q for question. Question. R. R for rose. Rose. S. S for ship. Ship. T. T for train. Train. U. U for ukulele. Ukulele. V. V for vulture. Vulture. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon. X. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y. Y for yacht. Yacht. Z. Z for zero. Zero.
Thanks for watching. Fantastic Learners.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.